EDC, everyday carry. Let's get into what my EDC is for mid-2022. My EDC consists of things I wear on person, but also what I keep in a bag, a sling bag that I always keep on person as well. I pretty much bring it everywhere I go and has all the essentials I need for my everyday life. The first thing that you'll always see on me is a watch, and right here is the Apple iWatch Series 7, and I always will change out some of the bands, but this is something I wear every single day. And as you can see on my wrist, I got a pretty mean wrist tan line. I never take off my watch. As I said before, I do carry a bag with me, a sling bag, and this is a video I have in the past of actually a review on this bag, and this is the Moment Fanny Sling bag. This is the version 2 of it, and this is a great bag, and it carries everything I need, and I love it because it can pretty much go with any outfit I wear, and if people don't like it, too bad, don't look. I don't really care. But everything else is usually not in my pockets, it's in this bag. We're going to start off in what is in the back compartment here. So we open that up, and I usually have two things in here. The first one being a little pocket journal. This is just a Bigfoot pocket journal I actually got in New Hampshire a couple weeks ago, and I always carry some type of journal or paper to write things down, jot things down about maybe a certain location I'm at, if I want to come back for a hike or come back for a photo opportunity, whatever it might be. That's what I carry that for. The other thing I keep in that pocket is my cell phone. This is the Apple iPhone version 12, so the iPhone 12. The bag has a zipper in the front here. In this compartment, I have 2 chapsticks, Burt's Bees, Kettle stuff, and some Total Hydration, which has a little bit more of a gloss to it for the ladies. Tampon, if you're also a lady, you will know. And if you're a guy, don't hate. It's natural. I carry a pen with me of some sort. Extra contacts, because can't see without them. I also carry one type of extra battery in here as well that I use for one of my film cameras. Now, if we go into the actual main compartment, I have quite a bit in here. Starting off with the big things, I have my wallet here, which also holds my keys. Another thing I always carry a film camera with me, a film point and shoot to be specific. This is a Olympus point and shoot zoom camera. It's pretty neat. Carry it every day for those everyday photos. Compact and always nice to have. Along with the wallet and the camera, I always carry a bag of batteries with me. This is for those days I go to maybe a thrift store, antique store, or whatever, and I want to try out a film camera that they have in there, see if it actually will power up and work. So it's about all the different types of batteries that are in here. Another little bag I keep in here is a small screwdriver, Allen wrenches, sim pin, stuff for my camera or my cell phone. You never know. There might be things that I might just need along the way. Another thing I carry always with me is a mask. Yes, sometimes you still need those in certain buildings, so I always carry one of those with me as well. Also, hair ties. Something I always carry as well is a USB stick, and this goes into regular USB as well as it is a lightning, so I can go into my iPhone need be to transfer some files if I really need it. And last but not least, I always carry some type of microfiber cloth with me for my cameras or my glasses if I am wearing them that day, or sunglasses. Now that you got an insight of to what my EDC is, I'd like to know what your EDC is. So leave a comment down below and let me see what you carry every day. I love to see what other people carry. It's always very insightful. And if you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, and perhaps subscribe for further videos coming along. And I'll catch you guys next time.